Well, I would like to just say I'm so impressed with the photography and the quality of this photograph exhibition, and that the New Museum, History Museum has done this. I think with the photos that are demonstrated here, I think what they say to me is not only the quality and the beauty of the photos, but they also highlight, sadly, the risks and the challenges faced by our biodiversity, not only just on the photos, but I think it just sets a story that if we don't take some action soon, we're gonna face a lot of problems. And so I hope there's a lot of messages, a lot of a beauty in the photos, but also warnings that if we don't take action, we're going to lose all this, and the impact of that is going to be very big on not only the animals and life that's shown in the pictures, but also on human habitats as well. So we're all in it together.
So, what is that the objective is that to save the environment, save the wild life as well, and how do we that we want to communicate the message to the masses?
Well, I think it's a signal or a sign that it's not what the impact we're having through climate change and loss of habitats that's affecting. We're all interlinked, and if we lose one part, then the chain is broken, and that's going to, sadly, and a lot of the impacts that human activity has had. I think we have to bear some of that responsibility. So it's our responsibility also to look after the planet, because if we don't, the ultimate losers are going to be humans.
Yeah. And although this is the first day, but I have seen that the people have rushed over here. So how do you see that the response you are getting from it?
I think it's very good, and certainly to have the opportunity to show these pictures, because they are priceless. I think not only to show them here in Karachi, but also in Lahore and in Islamabad, and thanks to organisations like yourself that amplify these messages, we're getting out to an awful lot of people. And there's the environmentalists, the professionals, obviously people like me. But I thank the sort of media and journalism who also know that these stories need to be told. So I think collectively we can make a difference.
So nice of you, sir. Thank you so much.
You're very
I got it.
welcome.
Yeah,
Happy
thank you.